Over the next 4 minutes, we will quickly tell you about a way that top-performing agents can close more deals. Thank you for listening. Let's face it, getting a property ready for a closing can be a nightmare. Worse, the handyman industry that many agents rely on can be equally difficult. Ace Handyman Services was founded with one simple vision: to bring ethics and integrity to home improvement. It drives us in everything we do. The core of our business is a documented service path that delivers a white glove experience every time. We're easy to schedule, easy to direct with a punch list to get the property ready, and all the work is fully guaranteed. And best of all, we offer agents flexible terms. Here's exactly what we mean when we say easy to schedule. It's based in scheduling a multi-skilled craftsman at an exact time on a day that works for you. The craftsman will call you the night before to confirm the punch list and flex if you have changes to your original list. We text to confirm we will be on time on the day of the work, and then we text you when it's done with photos confirming the completion of each task. You're busy, we get that. You communicate in a way that best works for you. Whether it be a punch list, photos, or over the phone, we will confirm the work. Since all of our employees, not subcontractors, are criminally background checked, licensed, bonded, and insured, you can merely give us the lockbox code and we'll be in and out as promised. That frees up more of your time rather than waiting around until the work is completed. And we stand behind everything we do with a 1-year guarantee. If any fix does not delight you, we'll come back out and make it meet your standard. And then we give you the invoice. Not to get too deep into the how, but it's important to know that there is a 5-star method to how we operate. We have a full team that supports our multi-skilled craftsmen handling all of the scheduling, job lists, and their execution. Each team member is AHS certified in customer service. The benefit to you is predictability from the time we promise, from the work, and eventually it's invoicing. Again, also you can focus on the other deals you have that fill your schedule. We believe you will enjoy Ace Handyman Services the way you already know and trust Ace Hardware. If you like our hardware stores, you'll love us in your clients' homes. Give us a call and get your questions answered. We think you'll like what you hear.